sad moment in Jamaica. A very sad moment. A man that they claim that is Jashie brother. Oh man, I tell you, when they must say yo, him pick up more than 10 shots. Yeah man, and him say him is a very quiet youth. I tell you the truth, Jamaica nah run good. Jamaica is the place where you not even want to step on a man toe. Because you know say if you step on a man toe, you have to tell a man sorry brother. Jamaica is the place where you can't do, you can't even look on a man. Cause at the moment as you look on a man and your 3 points that jump out of your body, you have to wonder how way you do. People in these times, brother, seem like people kill for fun this time, brother. But the Lord is a real man. You see me? God is the truth and God is the living, brother. Uno take uno mind from crime and violence that poison uno soul and mind. It is just sad to say R.I.P. to these youths. As well as say, you don't have to do nothing nowadays for somebody take your life. Cause them say this youth is very quiet. He is a shop owner. May I tell you, life is not what it seems. But everybody have one life, but you still want to take another man's life. Just one life, and a man feel like say, yo, them are the greatest thing, them are the roughest thing, brother. Yo, me can tell them, say, brother, change from crime, brother. The coming of the Lord is near. Change from crime and violence. Why you have to take another man's life when you have your life? You want to live and you want to take another man's life. It don't work like that, bro. It don't work like what? Crime and violence is not the answer. But as what them say, nobody respect nobody nowadays. Nobody respect nobody. You have brother, you have sister, you have nieces, you have kids. But why take others' life? Why take other life? This youth to pick up more than 10 shots. Them say him is not a troublemaker. Them a youth are not even talk. Him is a humble youth. I think them say him is a bigger youth and Josh is still one of Josh's bigger brother by him father's side. But the youth nowadays them now play brother. As you slip in the road you slide. And the street I go talk, cause the street I say this thing I come off of Jashie. What Jashie do back then, and it no must be that. It can be so many things, but at that the street I go run with. And you know, so from once the street I run with it, everybody I go run with it. And when time I something else cost this youth life, when nobody don't know about the street I go run with it. Everybody has say, yo, Jashie should be blamed because Jashie should not lift up and take him brother and take him. Yo, then just attack things, brother. More while still, as in an artist, not true you have money, that means you can do everything at the moment. Is it? Just sad to say, I'm going to say, yo, Jashie, if you have to leave Jamaica, bro, just do that. Cause the street now play. I mean, no say, yo, nobody no want to dead, yo. Everybody want to be a legend. Some of all who no want dead, still a do the crime. You see me? R.I.P. My condolence.